Hello, guys. Welcome back. So, now we'll be talking about a very important topic, pay on delivery. A lot of vendors do not want to talk about pay on delivery. They don't want to hear pay on delivery because they don't want to do pay on delivery. And it's so funny because most of these vendors do not understand how pay on delivery work. They don't even know how to do pay on delivery. So, they see it as very stressful, very risky, and all of that. So, they try to avoid it without knowing that they cannot do e-commerce without pay on delivery, especially in Nigeria. All right. So, what is pay on delivery? Pay on delivery is when you get buyers online. So people see your ads and they place order for this product, but they will not pay for the product. You have to deliver the product to them first. Then they will check the product and confirm if this is what they ordered for. Then if they confirm that is what they ordered for and they like it, that is when they pay you. That is crazy, right? So this is why most online vendors try to avoid pay on delivery. So pay on delivery is when a customer orders for your product, they don't have to pay for it. You have to take that product to them, deliver it to them before they make payment for it. So they want to see what they are buying before they pay for it. Okay, let me try to explain it better in a way that you understand because these days people prefer to buy online. It's more convenient for them because they don't have to stress themselves with going to the mall and all of that. So they prefer to buy online. Now, this particular lady here needed something. She wants to buy a particular product. So it could be some food item, it could be her skincare product or gadget or anything. We don't know what it is, but she wanted to buy that product. And there's a mall around her place. She just need to walk down to the mall or go to the mall or take a bike or drive to the mall, however, to go and buy that product. Now, when she gets to the mall, she's going to get the product for 15,000. She'll just buy, pay, and then collect it and go. But on scrolling through her Facebook, she now sees an ad. She sees your ad, and you are selling that exact product that she wants. Now, you are not just selling the product, you are selling the product with some other gift. She's going to get some other gift. I already taught you how to give an offer that is irresistible, right? If you have not watched the previous video where I explained how to create offers that customers cannot resist, then make sure you watch that video before you come back to watch this one. So this lady sees that offer. She's not just getting the product now, she will get exact that same exact product. She's going to get some extra gifts that you're going to ask for her. Then that's not all. She's going to get it delivered to her and she doesn't have to pay. It is pay on delivery and the delivery is free. She doesn't have to pay extra money to get that product delivered to her plus those extra gifts, but the price is 25,000 online. So most customers, majority of the persons would prefer to buy it online for some reasons because they will get that product, they will get some extra gift on top, maybe some add-ons, some accessories or something. Then they are getting it delivered to them and they don't have to pay online. When it comes to them, that's when they will pay for it. So most of the customers will go for this option irrespective of the price difference. So because people find it more convenient, more easy to buy online and get it delivered to them than going to the mall or going to the store to, if people can find a way to get everything they need online, get it delivered to them, nobody would probably go to the mall. So guess what this lady did? Guess what she did? Where did she buy from? Did she go to the mall or did she buy online? Of course, she bought it online and she got it delivered to her. You see? So they delivered it to her and then she made payment. Did you see that? This is exactly how pay on delivery works. So she sat in her house, placed the order online, then got that items delivered to her. When she received it, she confirmed it, and it's exactly what she wanted. Then she paid for it, and she was happy. So everybody is happy. She's happy. She got what she wanted plus all the extra gifts. You are happy that you made a sale. Everybody is happy, of course. So now, why do we need to do pay on delivery? Why? Pay on delivery is very important because your e-commerce business cannot survive without pay on delivery, especially in Africa. Because why? People don't pay online in Africa. Unlike other Western countries, like if you go to US, if you go to Canada, if you go to UK, Australia, they don't even know what is pay on delivery because they find it very easy to buy stuff online. They are used to it, buying on Amazon, on eBay, and the rest of them. So once they see what they like, they just pull up their card and pay for it. And they wait and they deliver the item to them. Easy. But that doesn't work here in Africa. You cannot do such thing. People don't pay online, especially if you're not one of those big e-commerce platforms like Jumia, like Amazon, like Gigi, all of those ones. People don't pay online. You're just starting. Probably you just launched your site, or you're still a small business. Okay, so people don't really trust you. So because of some story they've had in the past where people bought things online and it was not delivered after they paid, so they don't want to risk it. Even those ones that haven't experienced it, but they've had stories of people making payment online and it was not delivered, they don't want to risk it. So they cannot pay you online. 99% of the people who will place orders on your side cannot pay online. So they don't pay online in Africa. All right. Secondly, you will lose out on sales to your competitors. If 99% of the people placing orders on your website are requesting for pay on delivery, now imagine if you refuse to do pay on delivery. Most of them will still place the order elsewhere, and some other vendors who understand how it works will deliver the goods and collect the money and make the profit. So, what you should worry more about is how is this pay on delivery done? Because in the next video after this one, I'm going to be explaining to you exactly how it is done step by step. If you understand how it's done, you'd even be happy to use it because it's more convenient. It gives you more sales and all that. So the third one is that it is more convenient for customers. So most customers prefer to buy pay on delivery because of obviously the previous stories they've had. Some of them have experienced it themselves. They paid. I've got some people who will chat me up and be like, "Oh, I've ordered for this product. They asked me to pay and I paid and they blocked me, or they never delivered it, or maybe they delivered something else." So it is more convenient for customers to pay on delivery because they want to see what they are buying and make sure it is what they ordered that they got, to avoid the story of what I ordered versus what I got. So they try to avoid that. It's more convenient for them for you to receive what they ordered for, confirm if it is what they ordered for before they make payment for it. Another one is that everyone is safe and happy when done right. So if you do your pay on delivery right, according to how I'm going to teach you how to do it, if you do it right, the customer is happy because they got exactly what they ordered for. Then you, the vendor, is also happy because you made a sale and you made profits. That is amazing. So everybody is happy. The customer is happy, the vendor is happy, and everything is fine. And then, of course, it eliminates fear and increases your sales. So the customer doesn't have to be afraid because, of course, Oga, it is pay on delivery. So you cannot pay your money until you receive the product. So there's nothing to fear. The customers are confident that, okay, so when I receive my product, I confirm it is what I want and I'll pay. And then, of course, you too, because you are doing it the right way, you don't have anything to fear. So you always smile to the bank because you're making sales and you're making profits. All right. So the thing now is, how is it done? What is really this pay on delivery? Let's explain it step by step. So a customer places an order on your site. Yeah, that means you get buyers online. Obviously, you're running your ads, they place an order. So, what you do, you are not going to deliver these items yourself because you're selling to different locations. You're in Abuja, probably, you're selling to Lagos, you're selling to Ibadan, someone in Bayelsa, someone in Uyo, people in Enugu, Port Harcourt, Benin. They are all placing orders on your site. So, You don't have to go to all of these locations to deliver. You simply get your delivery agent. So the delivery agent handles the delivery. So they go to these customers, they take the product to the customers and then deliver it to them. The customer pays the delivery agent, and the delivery agent now remits the money to you. So the delivery agent is like the middleman, all right? He's a middleman between you and the customer in these different locations. So that's simply how it works. So nobody is hurt, everybody is happy. So the customer got what they want before they paid. You delivered your item and made profit. Everybody is happy. No one is hurt, right? So now let's look at some of the challenges with pay on delivery. Obviously, there are issues with pay on delivery. This is Nigeria, of course. So the number one problem is that you bear the cost. You are the vendor, you are the one selling, so you bear all the costs. You buy the product, you run your ad, you're spending money. When you get an order, you have to deliver that item, you have to send it to the customer. So the customer has no financial commitment until they receive that item. You are the one that will bear all the costs till the customer receives the item, then pays for it. That is when you now make profits. That's when you make money, and obviously that's when you make profits. All right. So the second thing is that the second problem here is that it is not guaranteed until it is successful. So the order you got, if you got 100 orders, that 100 orders is not guaranteed until they are successfully delivered. How? Because sometimes you can take it to the customers and stories will come up, so many issues. Sometimes you can even send it to your delivery agent, and because they have so much backlog and all that, like I encountered a lot of them during Christmas. We had so many orders, and the delivery agents were not able to cover all the orders. So most of those orders failed and they were not successful. So most of those orders were not successful, and therefore those were not recorded as sales. Some of your orders can fail. So now remember, you're the one bearing the cost. And the only time you make a sale is when the order is successful, right? So there are so many factors that can make an order fail. Sometimes the customer will place an order. When you bring it, they'll say they've traveled. Sometimes they've lost interest, they're no longer interested. Sometimes they've used the money for something more urgent. Sometimes they actually have ordered from another vendor. So you came late and they will not buy from you. And sometimes customers will receive the parcel and then say that, oh, this is not what I want. Or see, I thought it was this and it was that, and then the order will fail. And once an order fails, it is your loss because you've spent money on ads, you spent money on these deliveries, and then it fails because you only make money, you only make profits when an order is successfully delivered and paid for. So some of your orders can fail, though not all the time, but sometimes you can encounter some kind of customers that are just funny, and then your orders will fail. All right. And you're going to encounter losses. Then finally, you can suffer losses. Of course, once an order fails, it amounts to loss. You're losing money, right? So that is it. So that is why I strongly recommend that video on how to create irresistible offers. Because when you create irresistible offers, most customers will stick to that order and make sure they get it. Most of the times I have customers that will keep calling me, when am I getting my order? I'm still waiting. Please, I need it and all that. So such orders cannot fail. All right. So you have more higher chances of uh, getting successful orders when you have irresistible offers. Because come on, you have competitors who are also selling the same thing and have their own offers. So your own offer has to be strong enough to hold your customer. All right. Great. So now the big question is, should I do pay on delivery? Should we do pay on delivery? Wow, this is tough. From everything we've seen so far, do you think you should do pay on delivery? Well, if you ask me, the answer is yes. You know why? Because You cannot do e-commerce in Nigeria without pay on delivery. You are bound to fail. It's impossible. It's not possible. All right. You must do pay on delivery because your customers cannot pay online, obviously. So once you learn how to do it properly, then you have no problem with it. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do pay on delivery. I've been doing this thing for a couple of years, and I can guarantee you that what I'm going to tell you is the right thing to do. So once you do it, don't worry about pay on delivery, you will enjoy it. So now let's look at some of the benefit of pay on delivery, because there definitely has to be something good about pay on delivery. Now, what are some of the benefit of pay on delivery? Number one is that you're going to have more successful sales. Obviously, if 99% of your customers want pay on delivery and you agree to do pay on delivery, that means you're going to have a lot of orders delivered. And when you have so many orders delivered, it amounts to sales, which amounts to more money, and it amounts to what? Profit for you. So if you do pay on delivery, you're going to always have a lot of sales, because once your customers have nothing to fear, then definitely they will want to do business with you. Then the location is not a barrier. When you're doing pay on delivery now, the way I'm going to teach you, you have your products in Kaduna, you have customers in Kano, you have customers in Abuja, you have customers in Lagos, in Ibadan, in Uyo, in Calabar, in Bayelsa, in Port Harcourt, all over the country. You have orders coming in from all these locations. Now, because you have your products in most of these locations, they can easily receive their products. You cannot compare it to when you now have your shop in your, maybe you live in Ikeja, Lagos. You now have your shop in Ikeja, or maybe you live in Abuja, you have your shop in Banex. It is only people who come to Banex that can patronize you. And probably it is just people that live in Abuja, around that place, that will patronize you. So you're limited by the location. But with e-commerce, with this online sales, you are not limited. Your the location is not your barrier. Anybody can place order from anywhere. Someone in Warri can place order and get it. Someone in Sokoto can place order and get it. Someone in Abuja can place order and get it. They don't even need to leave their house to travel all the way to come to your shop. So wherever they are, because you're offering pay on delivery, you can send your products to all of those locations and they get it. So what it means is that someone in Abuja can place order now, someone in Calabar can place order, someone in Sokoto can place order, someone in Enugu can place order, and they will all receive their orders within 3 hours. That is amazing. So that is a beautiful thing about online sales and pay on delivery. Location is not a barrier. You can sell to anywhere, anybody, anywhere. It's not an issue for you. Then fast and easy delivery is also one of the advantages, because like I'm going to show you in the next video, when you have your products in all these places, once anybody places an order, they will receive their order almost immediately in their desired locations. All right. So this is amazing. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how this pay on delivery is done, how you are going to do it, how you're going to work with your delivery agents, how to find these delivery agents, where to find them, how to know the reliable ones to work with, so that you don't have situations where delivery agents are taking your money. Remember, the customer is paying to the delivery agent, and the delivery agent is going to now remit to you. So how do you get reliable agents? How do you work with them? And how do you do your nationwide same day free delivery? I'll see you in the next video.